Alrighty, so today we're going to be using our unit rates to find some unknowns. And this first one right here is talking about pumping water, and you're like, why on the earth would you want to pump 330 gallons of water in 22 minutes? Well, say your house floods and your whole entire basement's full of water and the fire department comes and they want to pump the water out. You want to know how long it's going to take to pump that out. They probably have other houses to go to, possibly too. So they want to find that out. So they're saying, well, if I can do so many gallons in so many minutes, and they're saying they can do 330 gallons in 22 minutes, and they want to know in 39 minutes how much they can do. There's going to be an extra step in here. I cannot get from 22 to 39 nice and neatly. There's nothing I can multiply 22 by that's a whole number to get there. So in between, we are going to use our unit rates, which we've learned how to do. So I'm going to find for 1 minute. So how much can I move in 1 minute? In order to do that, I'm going to divide by 22. Now whatever I do to the bottom, because remember this is still a fraction, I'm going to do to the top. So 330 divided by 22 is going to be 15 gallons in 1 minute. So if that's how much I can do in 1 minute, I'm going to multiply by 39 to see how much I can do in 39 minutes. When I do 15 times 39, I'm going to get 585 gallons. So that means that I can move 585 gallons in 39 minutes. Now, my first class today, we were like, that seems really weird. Why would you want to know about 39 minutes? What if we just made it an hour? Well, I can't use the hour since we're going from minutes to minutes, so we had to think of it as 60 minutes. So we did the same start of 330 divided by 22, and we found out that we could move 15 gallons in 1 minute. And then when we did this times 60, we found out that you could move 900 gallons of water in 60 minutes, which is the same as saying you can move 900 gallons of water in 1 hour, which is impressive. They've got some pretty fantastic pumps on those fire trucks. The next one's a big pet peeve of mine. I hate when I go look at the calories on something. And so they give me 90 calories in 3/4 of a cup. I don't know about you, but I'm not going to sit there and measure out 3/4 of a cup, but I might measure out 1 cup. So I'm going to figure out how many calories per cup. Well, right now I know it's 90 calories in 3/4 of a cup. And this person actually wants to eat 2.5 cups. That is a lot of cereal, if you ever measure that out. So I'm going to do that part in the middle where I find for 1 cup and figure out how many calories that is. So I'm going to divide by 3/4. When I do 90 divided by 3/4, I end up doing 90 times 4 over 3. I can reduce that right here so that I do 30 times 4, and I get 120 calories are in 1 cup, and that makes sense because we got a little bit bigger here, 1/4 bigger, and this also got 1/4 bigger. Now I'm going to multiply times 2.5, and if you have your calculator and you don't want to do a fraction or a mixed number, you can think of it as 2.5. When I do 120 times 2.5 or times 2.5, I'm going to get 300 calories. So that means that there are 300 calories in 2.5 cups of cereal. You're going to do the same thing. You'll notice down the bottom of your paper that there are 4 spots on the bottom, and then there's some more on the back. These questions are on Schoology, and you want to make sure you get a 100% in order to get credit for the assignment. I want you to try all these and then submit them, and then you can always come ask for help on ones that you struggled on.